everybody's doing well in this year of 2026. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add a member into your GOTBACKUP account. Now, what I mean by that, I'm not talking about how to add a reseller or how to add a new customer. I'm talking about you already as a GOTBACKUP member, how you can share some of your cloud storage with somebody else, being somebody in your family, a friend, a neighbor, or whoever you want to be generous to, and just give a little bit of that cloud storage that you get. So I'm going to show a video how to do it. I'm going to be giving some cloud storage to my mother because her phone's already cluttered up with videos and pictures that she has, and you know, she's not really like tech savvy with the phone and stuff. So I told her I'm gonna give her some cloud storage so she can upload all her memories into the cloud, and that way she can free up her phone space, and that way her phone doesn't get cluttered and start running slow and just moves faster again. So let's do this. I'm going to my very own website, which is GOTBACKUP.com, and we're going to start from here. Now, this is my own website that I created so I can sell the service to people. I call it GOTBACKUP.com. But if we go down here, I go through my own website, just a nice little website. You guys can check it out, see what you think. And if I click here, it's going to take me to the main GOTBACKUP page, right? So this is where you go when people want to buy the service. If you guys don't have the service and just watching this video and interested, you can check it out right here. But we're going to go here that says login. This is only once you're already a GOTBACKUP member, then you can log in into your account. So I have what is called the GOTBACKUP Pro package. So mine might look a little different if you don't have the Pro package, but pretty much the same. This is inside already the GOTBACKUP main office. Once you're if you're a reseller, you're gonna see a lot more things here because this is for your reselling business, how to resell the business. Otherwise, it'll probably look a little different. But since we're going here, we're going to go to use this tool because I am here to use the actual service. So as you can see, it brings me here to this. If I can hear the auto login, it's gonna take me to my GOTBACKUP, stuff that I have on like on my phone. I have the GOTBACKUP account right here. You guys can see it, GOTBACKUP app. And if I click on the app, it's going to take me to my actual cloud storage and all the files that I have. But anyways, that's what it's going to take me to auto login. Now, what I want to do is have my mom have the same app, but with her own account. Nothing to do with my account, but we're going to take it out of the existing memory that I have. As you can see here, I have 2% usage of it already, and believe me, I have a ton of things already, and I'm only at 2%. Why? Because I actually get 6 terabytes of cloud storage space. That's a lot of space. There's no company out there that for the price that this company gives, that gives you that much space storage on the cloud. Everybody else usually just 2 terabytes, and I don't even know if you can actually add additional members to it. But those are different companies. To me, this is the best deal. That's why I stay with GOTBACKUP. But anyway, so here we go to add additional account, right? And here we're going to add the new member. So see, it says once the new member is created, please share the registration link with your new member to complete this registration. Okay, so username, enter the desired username of the new family member. So I'm going to enter a name for my mom. Let's do it. So I enter the name for her. I'm here. I make a decide how much memory I want to give her. I want to give her 500 gigabytes. That's plenty for her. She don't need a terabyte right now, So we're gonna increase to, where we go, 500 gigabytes. Come on, 500 gigabytes. Can I get it right on the dot? Let's see. If not, it's gonna get 507. It's okay. Oh, you got 5155. There you go. So I decided to give her that much space. Now the good thing here, you can add up to 5 members or 6, including yourself. So you can add and share some of this with other people. If you have members, you can give somebody a terabyte, or you can give half of the storage, whatever it is. So I'm gonna provide 500 gigabytes. Add new member. Okay. I'm gonna go never, because this is actually from my mom. The account has been created successfully. Copy this new link below. Once you copy the link, simply send it to a family member by email. Copy and share. Okay, I'm gonna copy and share. And now I'm going to send an email copy to my mom's. So let's go to my email now. Let's go to my regular email here, this one. I got a lot of emails, yes. And go Gmail. Let's compose a new email. And it's going to my mother, which is right here. Boom. Subject is cloud storage. And paste the link. Let's go back here. Copy and share, and copy and share, copy. Okay. There it is. Sorry. Here's that. And now it says for the registration, send. And then we just got to go to her phone to see if she gets the message. Right, so I grabbed my mother's phone and let's look. We're going to go to her email, and right here up top, it's the email that I sent her. And I'll get rid of that. It says here is the link we're going to go to. And basically I'm going to create her an account really quick. And just type in your full name, username, password, and email. And then we go and look for your app store, Play Store. Type in GOTBACKUP. GOTBACKUP app. It's gonna look just like that one right there. You hit install. And you just wait for it to install, okay? Once installed, you hit open, and it's going to open the app. And you're going to allow the app to do what it's asking. Now here, you're going to put the information that we just filled out in the previous page when we open the account. Then we sign in. And it's going to say the name of your phone. Okay. And here is when they start adding all the backups of all your stuff. As you see, it's already starting to do it. It's ready to add everything on the phone. Little by little, it's going to go. There you go here. Storage tells me the amount that I gave her. You see that? It's that simple. And then transfers, it's going to be doing it all automatically. And right there it's telling me all the files that are being transferred. See that? And then it'll back up your stuff every so often. You understand me? And now once this is done, the first, because see my mom has that many files going, it's going to take a little bit. Once that's completed, then it'll just do update like every day, I believe, or every week, to update your phone to keep backing up everything in your system. And that's it, guys. Simple as that. You can share this, and if you're interested, go to my link, which is GOTBACKUP.com, or if you want to start this business as well, you can go to smartphonemoney.biz. That's simple, guys. Thank you.